harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. Harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering a ripe crop from the fields. Reaping is the cutting of grain or pulse for harvest. After harvest, the crops are stored in large buildings. Threshing. Threshing is the process of loosening the enable part of grain from the straw to which it is attached. It is the step in grain preparation after reaping. Threshing.
I am going to show the drip pipes and the settlements of fertilizers and also walls. Here you see the walls, and this wall is for the upper section of the land, and this wall is for section of land, and in the middle goes the subline, and this is the other wall, which is this pipeline is connected to the main line and also the subline. So to water this any section of the land, first we have to open this, because to receive the water from the main line.
The grape is the most important crop grown in the world. Mostly it is grown for making wines and preparation of raisins, and then also it is used for the table purpose. While in India it is mainly grown for table use. Grape cultivation is believed to have originated near Caspian Sea. However, Indians know grapes since Roman times. Total area under grapes are covered in India are 40,000 ha. It is distributed mainly in the states that are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Some of the economic importance for the grapes are it is for the table purpose, for export purpose, for making wines, and also for making raisins. Fresh grapes are a good source of minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamins like B.
I'm going to tell about sowing. Sowing is the process of making plants grow, and sowing is the most important thing. Without sowing, we cannot able to grow a plant or anything. First, we need to dig a hole at the mud, and then we have to place the seeds. That too far away, because the both will fight and absorb. Some may absorb more water, some may absorb low water, and then you have to plant, and then we have to pour water. And this sowing is also called as flowing. They will be having a funnel. Inside that there will be so much seeds.
Exora coccinea. In our house there are 3 different colors. This plant is used for medicine purpose and mainly Ayurvedic. And this leaves to treat ulcer. These flowers are used for decoration purpose.
என்னோட பிளான்டிங்ஸ் பத்தி நான் இன்னைக்கு சொல்ல போறேன். இந்த செடி வந்து 3 செடி இருக்குது.